Hey y'all, and welcome to another episode of Eatin Good in the Woods Campground Reviews. This year's part 3 on my series of the often overlooked county campground. This time we're in York County, South Carolina at Ebenezer Park and Campground. Found this one on RV Parky. So listen, y'all follow me, I'll show you around. Before we go any further, I'd like to remind you guys, please don't forget to mash that subscribe button, give me a big old thumbs up, maybe even leave me a comment or two. I sure would appreciate it. Wanted to tell you guys about this great app too, RV Parky. What a wonderful app to go find campgrounds all over this great country of ours. And it's absolutely free. Check your Play Store. This here is Ebenezer Park. It's located in York County, just north of Rock Hill, South Carolina, on the shoals of Lake Wiley. It is a 13,443-acre lake that borders both North and South Carolina. Now, first of all, I want to tell you a little bit about this campground before we go much further. There are two parts to this campground. The east side of the campground is a little less shady, but with good views of the lake, while the west side of the campground has virtually no view of the lake, but is nice and shady. Now, the usual set of rules and warnings come along with this park. Never move firewood, always keep your dog on a leash, no longer than 6 foot, don't leave them unattended, and please, folks, clean up after your dog. And while I don't think this is going to be a bear area, you may encounter the occasional coyote, or maybe even a snake or two. Maybe even the occasional deer, raccoon, or squirrel. There's another couple of things you need to keep in mind too. In this park, consuming or displaying in any public fashion any beverage of an alcoholic nature, including beer and wine or a controlled substance, is strictly forbidden. Acting in a disorderly manner or creating any noise or operating vehicles in a reckless manner. Ebenezer is a great park to visit for the day, whether you want to take a swim, go for a walk, go fishing, or just relax. However, there are some fees to get in. For York County residents, it's $3, and non-residents, it's $5. It's $1 for residents that are either disabled or retired, and $2 to get in for non-residents for seniors or disabled. And children under the age of 5 get in for free. All these prices are current as of 2022. Say, that reminds me, if y'all are looking for a way to support this channel, keep this here train rolling full of farm fresh content twice a week, why don't you slide over to my Teespring shop, get yourself a coffee mug or maybe even a t-shirt. But if you don't want to do that, how about you go to buymeacoffee.com, and for the price of a cup of coffee, you help keep this train a-rolling. You can also visit boondockerswelcome.com. All of the links are in the description. Thanks a bunch. Now let's talk about this campground. Ebenezer Park is equipped with 66 campsites. Each site has water, sewer, electric, fire ring, and a picnic table. The park is open year-round, and reservations can be made up to 13 months in advance. Tents are restricted to certain sites, and the park does not currently offer any primitive camping. There's going to be a few rules that come along with this. First and foremost, golf carts are allowed. However, the driver must possess a valid driver's license. Campers are allowed either a maximum of 1 trailer and 1 tent, or 2 tents per site on sites that tents are allowed. No more than 6 persons or 1 family may occupy the same site. Check-in is at 2 o'clock and check-out is at 12 o'clock. Any change in site must be approved by park staff. Maximum length of stay on a particular site is 14 nights. Cancellations are subject to fees based on notice given. Campers must be at least 21 years of age to register a campsite and must be present during the duration of the stay. Quiet hours? Well, 10 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the morning, and guess what? It is strictly enforced. The rates for the campground as of 2022 are exceptionally reasonable. If you're a York County resident, senior, disabled, active military, or York County employee, the rate is a measly $26 a night. Any York County resident is $31 a night, and a non-resident is $35 a night. What a bargain! If boating and fishing is your thing, well, Lake Wylie does lake life right. Fishing and boating opportunities are available to visitors. If you are age 16 or older, you will need a valid South Carolina fishing license to fish in the South Carolina waters of Lake Wylie. Licenses may be purchased at area convenience stores, sporting goods stores, and bait and tackle shops. Also can be purchased from the Ebenezer Park Ranger Station, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Keep in mind, though, a valid photo ID is required. Well, that's going to about do it for this year episode of Eatin Good in the Woods Campground Reviews. Listen, if lake life is your thing and you just need a place to go swim or boat or maybe do a little bit of fishing, well, I just don't see how you're going to beat Ebenezer Park in York County, South Carolina. Well, listen, until next time, y'all going out there and be nice to one another. I sure love y'all. God bless.